This is Romeo bleeding, but you cannot see his blood. It's nothing but some feelings that this old dog kicked up. It's been raining since you left me. Now I'm drowning in the flood. You see, I've always been a fighter, but without you I give up. Now I cannot sing a love song like the way it's meant to be. Well, I guess I'm not that good anymore, 'cause baby, it's just me. And I will love you, baby, always, and I'll be there forever and a day.
It's just huge improvement. You and Heidi today, so far, my favorite, my best two, not favorite, my best two today.
Thank you so much.
Best, based on your performance.
You found yourself.
Yes.
Now, don't try too much, okay? Yes. Because when you try too much, it becomes a little overboard.
Yes,
you don't need to.
That's the right way to start discovering your voice. Now that you have discovered your voice, do more of that and show us more of you.